Hello, good day, everyone. I hope you are all doing well. And this is a weekly analysis for this particular week we're about to enter. Um, Please, if you've not subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button and also like this video. And you can also share and also comment. Don't forget to comment. Okay, so let's get straight into it. This particular week, what I'm expecting for EU, what I'm sorry, what I'm expecting for EU. Okay, so when I'm done with EU, I'll go to GU and finally gold. What I'm expecting for these particular pairs. Okay, so for EU, what I'm expecting for EU is that I'm expecting EU to for the month, like I explained earlier on, I'm expecting EU to fall, to drop to this particular low. Sorry, I'm expecting EU to fall to this particular low. Um, for the weekly time frame, that's this week, right? Okay. So last week I said we were pushing high, and we did that. We came to take this low. So I was hoping we might have some few other pushes, but yeah, we can still have the push. We can still have the push. 417. Okay, so this is a low here. Right, so we can still have a push up, but as to whether if we can come here, it might be because once you took this low, this is the next destination for price. So let's see if price can come here, or price might actually be moving around here and create a high and use that high to fall once more again. For the daily, for the daily, um, okay, so now the destination for price earlier on was actually this particular high over here. There's highs. I was looking for price to take any of them and follow, but we didn't have that. We didn't get that. Okay, so right now, what I'm looking for price is that price should push high once more again. Sorry, we might have some few other pushes, or we might come to this gap, right? To this gap or even this gap to push high, right? These particular areas can actually push out. Probably we can start pushing high straight away. And the 4 hour, that's tomorrow. What I'm expecting for tomorrow. Tomorrow. Oh god. Sorry. Okay, so what I'm expecting for tomorrow is right now we are still going down. Sorry. Right now we are still heading down. We are still heading down, and this is an area price can come and used to push high. This particular there is also an area here. Any of this area can actually push price high. Alright. Any of these areas can actually push price high. Like I've described. Okay, any of these areas can push price high. We also have a gap here. If probably because the reason why I'm saying we will push low tomorrow is we came to this particular high, took this high, right? thinking that price might be bounced off from this area and this area, but we didn't get it. Then we started pushing low more. So right now what I'm looking for is this particular low to hold price. Okay, we can actually take this low and start pushing high right here. So that's what I'm expecting for EU, EU on EU. Yeah. So let's move to GU. What I'm also looking for GU. Okay, so for EU, GU, sorry, I think the same thing. Since the chart is waiting, it's loading, so let's wait. Okay, so it's done. So for GU, it's similar, same thing. We took this low, looking for price to actually come and take, deliver the low, come to this particular area here, right? For the weekly time frame, sorry. So we took this low, and I said we'll be looking for this high. So this is the next destination for price. For the daily time frame too, there's no way this particular thing to show here. Okay, so okay, so for EU, right, we have this area here on the daily time frame. We took this place, so our next destination was here, right? Now we've created a gap here, in which I'm sure that maybe price might push down, return to that area, and push high once more again. Okay, so I'm looking for price to push down low, or probably we can head straight to this high, come into this gap to push high, or head straight and push high to come and go and take the high over. That's for EU, GU, sorry. Mhm. I'm having some truth, so that's why I'm coughing a lot today. I'm sorry for that. Okay, so where are we? Okay, so over here in the daily time frame, in the 4 hour time frame, okay, we've taken this low and we are heading to this high. We are heading to this high. We are heading to this high. So let's see what price will definitely do tomorrow. For now, that's what I've seen and is happening. So let's move to gold. What you'll be expecting for gold this particular week. Okay, so for gold, I described gold to be moving. We can push high, but what I'm looking for is Once we've closed above this high, I'm looking for the next candle to push and close below, right? It's not that it can't happen, it might happen. Right now we are seeing price pushing high, high, high. So that's what I'm expecting. I'm expecting price to push below this particular high, right? Okay, so now we experienced a week where uh, a weekly bullish candle which was printed, right? So we are expecting the following week. If not, we are still expecting bullish for the following week. It's funny how this thing happens. We've not yet taken any particular area over here in which we can say that particular thing is going to drop price down. Okay, yeah, sorry. Hmm. Okay, so also for the daily time frame, we've witnessed also another bullish, though, but it was bullish, but it started selling at a certain point. Okay, so right now, what we experience is we've come into this particular gap. So I'm expecting price to push high, have its way around and push high, right? Expecting price to push high. On the 4 hour, okay, so on the 4 hour time, so on the 4 hour time frame, you can also find out that, yeah, indeed, nothing has caused price to push down. But I'm looking for a place that price can actually can hold price for it to push high, right? And I haven't found any. I haven't found any. So right now I can perceive this to be a short time bullish, a bearish movement. A short time bearish movement in which we can see price pushing down. But to understand what is pushing price down, you can't find anything that's holding price down. So this might be a short time bearish movement, then followed by a strong bullish movement. So I'm seeing for now, what I'm seeing is we are coming down. So areas in which we can come and push down more is we can come here to this gap or this gap and push down. I'll probably start pushing to this particular low, take it and start pushing high once more again. Then noting the end of that bullish short movement. Okay, so that's that for this particular week's analysis. Let's hope and see how this particular instrument perform on the market. Thank you very much. Please subscribe and like the video. Thank you.